You see, the situation here is highly distressing. They have explained to us. You have also seen what a devastating destruction this drone attacks and shelling has created. But now the government has promised only 1,30,000. Even these days, you cannot get a proper door or a window. So it's highly deplorable. We register our very strong disagreement with the attitude of the governments. Now, though Mr. Omar Abdullah is the Chief Minister here, actually this is a centrally governed, it's a union territory. Actually Modi and Amit Shah, they are controlling everything here. Comrade Tarigami reported to us that some important review meetings in J&K, Chief Minister is not being allowed to sit there. It is being conducted with Lieutenant Governor and others. So the democratic process also is being destroyed here. We don't want to go into all those things, what they did with abrogation of Article 370 and reducing the special status state into a not ordinary state, but into a union territory. So it's an attack on democratic process that is also working in the minds of the people. Now, what is most important is that huge destruction has taken place and no compensation is coming. An 8-member family, they have been put in a small room, single room is being given, they have explained now. So this attitude has to be totally changed. Our parliament members are there from all corners of India, from Bengal, from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then from Rajasthan. They are all there. Party, CPM leaders are there. We would be taking it up very seriously. We wanted a special session of parliament to discuss all these things. You see the plight of the people in the border areas. But Prime Minister is refusing to do that. Prime Minister did not even attend 2 all-party meetings. In one all-party meeting, our friend was present, but Prime Minister was not present. He was going and giving lectures. So just rhetoric of the Prime Minister will not compensate for what the people have suffered.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now